Hi there, we're back. Firefighter Cafarata here. We're in my kitchen and we're going to do a healthy Chili Verde with my cool new Instapot that my wife gave me. Let me show you right here. It's Instapot right there. Pretty cool. So anyway, so I got that for Christmas and I'm going to put it to use. I've never used one. I did like a trial with water. It tells you boil 3 cups, put it on, press start, use steam. I did that. My whole house got all steamy and foggy, and I was happened to be gone to go to the grocery store to buy everything. So anyway, I'm back, and here we are. So Chili Verde, healthy Chili Verde. We're going to do 1 whole bag right here, bag of tomatillos. I'm going to chop them up. 1 yellow onion right here. Boom, yellow onion. This is 2 pounds of pork. You could do loin, you could do rump, you could do shoulder, whatever you like. Rump is the butt. Yes, but it comes out delicious. So a little bit of Chipotle peppers like I showed you in the previous video. Now here, you want to wash and dice up cilantro. So 1 bunch of cilantro, pasilla peppers. I have 2 serrano peppers, right? And so a little olive oil right here. That's going to go in the blender, extra virgin, with my famous bag of garlic. That's 1 bulb. You're going to do a tablespoon of garlic. I mean, is that garlic? No, it's peppercorn. Peppercorn. Blended down. Just 1 tablespoon. 1 teaspoon, or you can do maybe even a tablespoon of cumin. So that's pretty much it. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to put a little bit of cumin in here. This is tablespoon. So a teaspoon, tablespoon, a spoon. So a spoon could work because a spoon is close to those measurements. So here's the garlic. Putting the garlic in. Now the pressure cooker or the Instapot, not completely used to it yet. My first really time making anything. Olive oil. Pour it in there. Like a 1/2 cup. Just to blend down all the beautiful spices. Beautiful, tasty spices. So here is my pepper. So I'm going to open this guy up. Oh, all over my floor. Okay, well anyway. So pepper. Remember I told you how much. So just a little bit right there. So now we got the pepper, we got the olive oil, we got everything right there. We're going to go ahead and blend this. I want to make sure there's no plastic. So blend this guy up. Make sure the cap's on, because that would be another big boo-boo move. But it wouldn't be the first time, right? When you cook, trial and error sometimes are the #1 thing to make things successful. So, I'm going to turn this on. Let that grind down. Go ahead and pour it in here. And then I'm going to get my tomatillos, dice up my tomatillos, my onion. I'm going to dice up pork. I'm going to chop up into cubes. Garlic's ready. All the vegetables chop up, put in there, and then we'll get ready, and I'm going to show you my work, how I do it. here we are. I got my pressure cooker, the Instapot right here. Everything's inside of it right now. We got the meat and everything. There is a level in there. You don't want to go above that level. I did. Let's see what happens. Hopefully everything's fine. But let me go ahead, and I have my pressure cooker top. We're going to put it on. Now, I was going to say, I don't know what I'm doing. But let me see. So press to vent and turn to stop. So press to vent, turn to stop. So I guess that's not going to, I think it's locked. It's locked. Okay. So right here, this is how we do it. So we do it like that, and we go meat stew. So it's 35 minutes. It says high. So I did meat stew, high. You can do slow cook, saute, blah, 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 all that stuff there. It's on. So let's see how this works. I have no idea. We're going to come back in like 35 minutes, and we're going to find out. Now, if my house is still here and the food is good, I recommend this meal. This is Chili Verde in the Instapot. Stay tuned. Hey, we're back. Okay, here is the Instapot. Now, I told you before it was like 35 minutes. That's a lie. Well, anyway, you know how like I raise it super high above the line it said initially? Well, we're not really supposed to do that first of all. Nothing bad happened, but I got super frustrated, wanted to pull out my hair, and what I wanted to do is I took the lid off, right? So I had to unlock it a ton of times, and what I did is I kind of just compacted everything. So then I put this guy back on, right? And this is a smart machine, right? Smart. It knows when something's burning. So inside it says food burn, food burn, food burn. And it doesn't say it, but it shows it right on the little display. So on the display, if you could see right here, I did meat stew, which is like Chili Verde, like a meat stew. Well, I could tell you, it didn't work out like meat stew. So it said food burn. So what I did is I just took off the top, depressurized it, right? And there's a little knob up top. The knob says, please press to vent. So if you press it, it vents all the steam. And my house was all steamy. Or, twist it, and it doesn't vent. It keeps all that pressure in there. So before you open it, you can vent it if you'd like. So you can vent it. All you do is push it down, vents it, and twist it to not vent it. Anyway, so what I do is I unhook it right here. Make sure you don't put this on a surface that can't handle heat. I put this on a table right alongside me. And I just stirred the pot. Stirred it up like I do at the firehouse. Stir the pot. And then after I stirred it up, I put the lid back on. The pressure and the amount the stew kind of lowered down to the right level, right? And then no more burned food. Everything was fine. So I guess the machine knew that it's not going to get burned. So anyway, I set it on low. So I did low stew meat for 45 minutes, and it came out perfect. So my wife was very hungry, and so she already got into it. So I'll show you what it looks like here. So I'm going to take a little bit, and I'll come up closer to the camera so you don't think I'm just pulling your leg. But it is very good. It looks very, very delicious. So here is the Chili Verde right here. Ooh, more steam. Let me take a little bite. So get a little spoonful. My wife says it's amazing, so I trust her judgment. What? Ooh, spicy. Spicy like the firehouse. Thanks for joining. It's Firefighter Capra Instapot. Try it out. If you get frustrated, watch my video. Things happen. Look it up, the burn thing, no big deal.
Stay calm.
Stay calm, stay safe, don't get burned. Be patient like me. I'm not patient. Anyway.